How to verify a bank card. Card verification will be available after you submit a withdrawal request using this method. After the withdrawal request is created, open your profile and locate the credit/debit card verification section. Upload color photos or scans of the front and back sides of your payment card used to top up your account. When photographing your card, please consider the following requirements. On the front side of the card, cover all the numbers except for the first and last 4 digits. On the back side of the card, cover the CVV code. Do not cover the cardholder's signature. To simplify the card verification process, we automatically create a support request with the necessary instructions. Trade and earn with Pocket Option.